Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is, look at several examples of rational numbers in the form p upon q. Q is not equal to 0, where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal representations. Can you guess what property q must satisfy? So guys, let us look into this question. Here the question is asking us about the rational number. Here the question is asking us about the rational number. Guys, we very well know that a rational number is always of the form p upon q. And q is not equal to 0. This is what we very well know. This is one of the conditions of the rational number. Now guys, the rational number could be either terminating or non-terminating. A rational number is having two properties. Either it is terminating or a rational number has two properties, which is either it is terminating or non-terminating recurring So these are the two properties of a rational number that we know. We know that a rational number could be terminating or it could be non-terminating recurring. That is recurring. Now, the question is asking us here about particularly the terminating factor. The question is asking us here particularly about the terminating factor of a rational number. The question is asking us when a rational number terminates. The question is asking us here, when a rational number terminates, what should be the property of q, or what should the property of q satisfy? The question is asking when a rational number terminates, what is the property, or what is the property of q? What is the property of q at that point for these particular rational numbers? What is the property of q for these particular rational numbers? Guys, which rational numbers? The rational numbers that are terminating. For those rational numbers, what is the property of q for those particular rational numbers? Now, the question is very simple and very straightforward. The question is saying us, when a rational number terminates, what is the property of q for these particular rational numbers? The question is asking us this thing. Now guys, let us have a look to some examples so that the things will be more clear. Now let us have a look to some of the examples so that the things will be more clear. Now if I write 1 upon 2 is a rational number which is of the form p upon q. Now 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.5. So guys, this rational number terminates because it is 0.5. So here the value of q is equal to 2. Here the value of q is equal to 2. That is I can write q is equal to 2 to the power 1. Hope guys you understood this. If I consider the example 1 upon 2 is a rational number whose value is 0.5. Here the value of q is equal to 2. That is q is equal to 2 to the power 1. Hope guys this is very simple and very clear. Now if I consider one more example, let us consider some examples. If I consider one other example, 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10 is nothing but 0.7. 7 upon 10 is nothing but 0 upon 10. Here value of q is equal to 2 into 5. 10 means 2 into 5. So here value of q is equal to, or in other words, let me write it like this. Here value of q is equal to 10. That is I can write q is equal to 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. Hope guys you understood this. Here 7 upon 10 we got 0.7 which is terminating. So if you look at the value of q, here the value of q is 10, and this 10 is nothing but 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. Hope guys this example is also very clear. Now if I consider the one example 11 upon 8, if I write 11 upon 8 and its value is 1.375. Now here the value of q, here value of q is equal to 8. Here the value of q is equal to 8. That is q is equal to 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. That means 2 to the 4 to the 8. 2 into 2 into 2. So here the value of q is 2 to the power 3. Now let us consider one more last example so that we can conclude our observation. Let us consider one more last example. If I write 100 upon 25, what I am getting? If I am writing 100 upon 25, we know that 25 fours are 100. Here the value of q, here the value of q is equal to 25. That is q is equal to 5 to the power 2. 5 5s are 25. So guys, from all these examples what we observed, that these examples are terminating. These rational numbers are terminating rational numbers. If you observe these 4 rational numbers that I have written, 1 upon 2, 7 upon 10, 11 upon 8 and 100 upon 25. These are all terminating rational numbers because we got 0.5, 0.7, 1.375 and 4. So these are all terminating rational numbers. When we are having terminate rational numbers, what we observe, the value of q is equal to, here you could see that the value of q is 2 to the power 1. Here you could see that the value of q is 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. Here the value of q is equal to 2 to the power 3. Here the value of q is equal to 5 to the power 2. So now in each case we are having, if you look into these 4 examples, in each case we are having either 2 or 5 or even both. Both means both 2 and 5. So you could see that here in this particular example here 7 upon 10, you could see that the q value is 2 and 5. So here we are having both 2 and 5. Here we are having 100 upon 25. We are having the q value is only 5. And if you look into the example of 1 by 2, we are having the q value is 2. And if you look into example number like 11 upon 8, we are having the q value as 3. Now, in order to answer this question, you could see that we took some examples. Now let us put our concluding answer. What the observations that we got, or the observation that we saw. Let us put our concluding answer. So guys, I have written down here my concluding answer. So let us look here what I have written here, so that it would be easy for all of us to understand, because our concluding answer is most important. Everything depends upon our concluding answer. Now if you look here to the concluding answer, I have written, in order to get terminating decimal expansions, we saw from above examples that q must satisfy, we saw that q must have the integers having powers, having only powers of either 2 or 5 and even powers of both 2 and 5. This is what our answer should be. What we wrote? We wrote, in order to get terminating decimal expansions, we saw from the above examples that q must have the integers having only powers of either 2 or 5 and even powers of both 2 and 5. This is what we observed from the examples. I believe guys you understood this. The question is very clear. The question is asking us to check if a rational number is terminating. If a rational number is terminating, what is the value of q, or what property the q is having when a rational number is terminating. And we saw that when a rational number is terminating, the q value is either 2 or 5, the powers of 2 or powers of 5, or even both 2 and 5. This is what the question is, as simple as this. Hope guys you understood this. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.